So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the magic of Vedic mathematics. Now, today we have people from both India as well as Nepal. For Nepal, you can take it as an introduction to Vedic mathematics. Why do I say this? We always found that our students are suffering from the fever of mathematics, the pain of mathematics. So by the end of today's session, you'll be clear that maths is not really tough. Maths is not what we are fearing of. And any question in between you have, you can raise your hand. I'm not muting anyone, but still, please maintain the decorum. So let's continue. Now, very first thing, I'm glad that you all are here with me. So very first thing, applaud yourself. Give a pat to yourself. Because today you have taken the first step towards learning of something new that is called as Vedic mathematics. And this will be the end of the fear of mathematics. Vedic maths is often called as a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. So the first thing, remember, nobody will come to congratulate you. Nobody will come to pat you. Nobody will come to boost up. So very first thing, whenever you take a new step, a new journey in your life, pat yourself, congratulate yourself, applaud yourself. It is just thanking to the God. So let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Yogesh Chandana. And I'm an internationally certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. I'm an author for the books called Step by Step Vedic Mathematics. Now, these books we'll discuss in detail tomorrow. So these are the steps involved towards the learning of mathematics. And I'm an educator for last 26 years. I motivate and help people to grow as entrepreneurs. So how many of you over here are principals, teachers, or students, whatever you are? Please write down in the chat so that I can understand what is your need. Yes, Rakhi. So Rakhi is a teacher. Okay. Vishnu, businessman. Mamta, teacher. Yes, Raz, Siddhiki, teacher. Great. Student. Okay, Siddhika, you are a student. That's good. Okay. Now, why I told you to congratulate yourselves, why I said to pat yourself, because it is the first step. It is the first step towards a new journey of life. And please understand, first step is the most difficult one. Am I audible to everyone? Anyone who is not able to understand? Okay, fine. So first step is the most difficult one, and that is the reason we always say, congratulate yourself, pat yourself, motivate yourself. Because once you have taken the first step, you can move further. Right? So that is the importance of first step. I'll tell you more about it. So many people, I often have a word with them. They say, we are already a teachers. So is it possible to learn something new at this stage? Most of you all have this question in your mind. The principals I talk to every day, they have the same question. Sir, how will we learn now? So please understand, life can be started whenever you feel. I'll give you two biggest examples in your life in this era itself. There are so many lives in the past, so many examples in the past. But if we talk about today's era, Donald Trump, when did he became the president of the most powerful country of the world? He was in 70s. So are you more than that? No. Second thing, the KFC people, the KFC man, he also suffered so many failures. But when did he got the success? Same in the late 60s. Same in the late. Yes, Gulshan Khatun, you have to say something. Gulshan Khatun, do you have to say something? आपको कुछ बोलना है?
No, sir. No, sir.
There is a lot of disturbance from your end, and please try to mute yourself. Now, so very important thing, don't think that I have crossed that age. I am about to reach that. See, age is just numbers. The day you will realize this, you can do anything in your life. Correct. And that is what you need to understand in life. So first step towards Vedic mathematics, and today you will learn a lot. You will be removing the fear of maths which you had in your entire journey. I'll start. I'll have a question from all of you. Just now, we had New Year, 31st and 1st Jan, we celebrated New Year. We all made certain resolutions. Yes. How many of you made certain resolutions? Yes, Hasan Siddiqui. See, please, if you'll answer, you will be able to understand everything, why each and every point is important. So we all made certain resolutions in that new year. But were all those resolutions completed? No. Why? I'll give you examples. We planned we'll be starting with morning walk from 1st Jan. We planned we'll be starting with yoga from 1st January. We planned we'll start something new, educative, instructive. You know why all these resolutions failed? It's not your fault. Please understand. Don't worry. Don't think, oh, I was not able to complete. It is a quite natural thing. Whenever in life, please remember two words. Whenever in your life, you have a positive thought. Whenever in your life you have a positive thought, there is a doubt associated with it. So every positive thought has a doubt associated. So the day you plan, yes, I'll be going for yoga, I'll go for meditation, I'll go for shlokas, I'll go for something educative, instructive. There was a doubt. Okay, let me start from the next day. But if you all had planned for some movie, some picnic, some trip on 1st Jan, have you left that? Have you not fulfilled that? Yes, of course. Because see, I will not say that is a negative thing. That's not positive. But yes, that is not educative. That is not constructive. That is not what can bring a change in your life. So it is human nature. Whenever we come across any positive thought in your life, we'll have a doubt associated. You might have seen you were ready for the interviews. Everything, you are ready for some exam. At the last moment, you think, should I go or should I not? So that is a doubt. So that was the reason why I said pat yourself, congratulate yourself, because today So many of you I know who are following me from years. Yes, I know. They might have approached me a long back, 1 year, 2 year back even. And today they got the time, they got the opportunity, or they made up their mind. Yes, today I have to start it. So congratulations to all of them who took the initiative today, the first step towards learning Vedic maths. And that is what our holy books teach us. Be confident, be motivated. These are the two things in your life which you can do wonders in your life. And that is where our students are feeling this time. So today, whatever we have missed, whatever we have left, don't worry. Now you are at the right time, right place. Today we'll learn what is Vedic mathematics with positivity, confidence. I told you confidence, motivation. So what is motivation and the positivity? So today is the day to learn, launch, lead towards the path of success in your life. So let's come to basic, what we are looking for, the target of the day. Introduction, what is Vedic maths? So how many of you over here have heard this word Vedic maths, or you have some inputs regarding it? Please, over to you, everyone. You can give your inputs. Yes, Rakhi, your teacher, Siddhika, though you are a student, but still. Gulshan, Alan, Mamta, Manu, Raj, anyone, if you have anything to say regarding Vedic maths, see, this would be an informative workshop where we'll exchange our views. I'll correct you if you have any doubts, but I would also advise you, please come up, because whatever we teach to our students, what do we teach? Be confident. What does that mean? Stand up and say yourself. But if we are not able to say, how can we guide our students? Yes, Sonelal. Yes, I remember you are a teacher. So anything you know about, don't worry, is it wrong or nobody will make a point on that. Yes. Anyone? Question? Anyone? No one? Sure. Then let me, yes, Sangeeta. You're also teaching?
Yes, sir.
So you would like to say something regarding Vedic maths?
सर वैदिक मैथ्स है ना मतलब फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ द सूत्रास पे डिपेंड करता है सर, है ना 16 सूत्रास होते हैं उन पे सर वैदिक मैथ्स है ना वर्क करता है। उन सूत्रास के थ्रू चीज को मतलब है ना शॉर्ट तरीके से हम किसी भी प्रॉब्लम्स को क्विकली कैसे सॉल्व आउट कर सकते हैं, वो है सर।
Great. Yes, Raj, Manu. So you can come up in your language, not an issue. But yes, Hindi or English, not Nepali. You will not be able to understand. Yes, Raj, Mamta. Okay. Let me tell you then. See, very simple word. Vedic maths is what makes our mathematics easy, simple, and faster. Very simple, 3 words: easy, simple, and faster. And we all need that. Why? Because we know our students, they are in that stress, that havoc, that fear, and this has been induced in their minds. और अगर एक वर्ड में हम वैदिक मैथ्स को डिफाइन करें, so it is what makes your mathematics magical. We'll see today. All those who are using calculators, and of course I know in Nepal everybody uses. So when we use calculators, we stop using our brains. A very simple example I'll ask you, everyone. Please answer, Ani. If you cannot speak, please write down on the chat. How many phone numbers do you remember? How many phone numbers do you remember? So nobody remembers any phone number? Okay. 4 to 5, Sangeeta. Yes, Gulshan. Yes, I'm not getting a good response today from Nepalis. What happened? It's an introduction to you people. Yes, Sonilal. Vishnu. Five to 6, Sidika. Okay. Okay, Rakhi. 7, 8. So everybody remembers 6 to 7. 4 only. Okay, great. Yes, let's contribute. Now a simple question again. Before you were having this mobile, how many phone numbers you used to remember? Just think. You used to remember more than this, at least 20 times more than this. 40, 50 phone numbers were just fraction of seconds you used to remember. Do you know why? Because at that time you used to write it down, jot it down. And today you just press a button, click, and save. You don't even see the number. The actual situation is we don't remember even our phone numbers sometimes. I have seen people who don't remember their family numbers even. So what does this indicate? Has our memory gone down? No. In actual, we programmed ourselves that yes, everything is stored in our mobile, so why should we remember? Just think, alarming situation to all those teachers, all those students who are from Nepal. If you continue using calculators, a day will come when you'll not be able to calculate 2 plus 2 because you don't have the habit. So today we'll remove that thing and you'll be able to understand how fast you can do it. It's just a mere seconds. So why Vedic maths only? So many subjects in mathematics we already have. So what was the need of Vedic maths? Why is it called Vedic maths? Why not?
Yes. So when you divide it, first you will get just a minute. What did you say? Answer? Tell me.
Uma. So why it is called as Vedic maths, not something else? See, very first thing, Vedic maths is called so because of its origin. It is believed that this subject is originated from our Vedas. So how many Vedas do we have? Yes, let's have a...
4 Vedas.
Okay, which all, ma'am?
Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, and Atharva Veda.
Anyone else? Yes, anyone has to add. Yes, Raz, Manu, Gulshan, Siddiqui. Okay. So this particular subject, so we have 4 Vedas, and this particular subject, it is believed to be originated from Atharva. The Veda which deals with engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. Right? So this is that is the reason it is called as Vedic maths. Also, Vedic means ocean of knowledge. Now, our Vedas, our ancient books, they were full of knowledge. So that is another reason why it is called as Vedic. But the efforts to revive this subject and to give it in the form which we know today, the credit goes to Jagadguru Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath. He was a Shankaracharya, a great saint, a great scholar at Govardhan Peeth. So during his time, he collected this data, he collected this knowledge from Atharvaveda and compiled into a book called Vedic Mathematics. So anyone of you have any question till now, you can ask. So then we'll start with the calculation part. Take out your paper and pen. We'll start with the calculations. Yes, any questions before that? Yes, Mamta, any questions? Okay. So technically, if we talk about what is the definition now? So Vedic maths is a collection of techniques. Now in maths, we call these techniques as formulas. In Vedic maths, we call it as sutras. So you can say Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which helps us to solve mathematical problems in easy, simple, and faster way. So how many formulas do we have? So total, we have 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas, which we call as 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. And these 29 sutras and sub-sutras, we can solve problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics, and so on. Right? Question: why Vedic mathematics? We already have so many mathematics, so many branches of maths. Why this particular subject is needed? Yes, any one of you who knows why Vedic mathematics? Yes, why Vedic mathematics? There are several reasons to this.
Actually, Vedic mathematics helps reduce the time, and it gives alternative way to solve the problem.
Too good. Great. Anyone else would like to add? Yes, Sona? Anyone? See, the more you'll speak, people will know about you and you'll be able to share your knowledge also. Sangeeta?
In Vedic maths, we get answers in minimum steps, and rough work is not needed. It reduces time comparatively to traditional maths.
Okay. So yes, we have several benefits. And the first benefit which Siddiqui and Mamta told, that is you are able to solve in less time. Or I could say it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Correct? You all agree to it. Like Mamta agreed, Ehsan agreed. Now the question is not this. Everybody knows this, because the moment you will be opening, you'll Google down this word, you'll get it helps to solve mathematical problems faster, 10 times faster. Some says more than that. Yes, it depends on your personal efforts also. But the question is why? Why problems get solved easily? What is the reason behind it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, can we say that the abacus is also a part of Vedic math?
No, it is entirely different. At the end of this, before ending it, I'll give you the differences between both.
Sure, thank you.
Because when you are understanding Vedic maths, you should know what is abacus, because that would be the first question of every parent. And you need that clarification. Yes, Hasan. So question was, this you already know. It helps to solve mathematical problem 10 to 15 times faster. But what is the reason behind it? What is the logic behind it?
Actually, it gives alternative way in comparison to the other maths.
That is fine, sir. Just an alternative way. That means it is faster. I am asking about the technical difference, the basic difference. Why is it happening?
Actually, I don't know the exact reason, so I only know that it gives the alternative way.
Correct. See, your efforts are great. I admire that. But still, the more I'll ask, you'll be able to understand more. Yes, Mamta. Do you have any input regarding that? Sona? Rakhi? Raj? Sangeeta? Anyone who has something to answer regarding this?
बिकॉज हर प्रॉब्लम को जो मैथमेटिकल होता है उसको सॉल्व आउट करने का वैदिक मैथ्स में पर्टिकुलर सूत्र है कि हम उस सूत्र को यूज में लेकर उस रिगार्डिंग जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होता है उनको क्विकली एंड फास्ट कर सकते हैं.
तो मैम, हमारे पास सिर्फ 29 सूत्रांक हैं, ठीक है?
यस.
मैथ्स तो इससे बहुत ऊंचा, बहुत ज्यादा है. आप मेरा क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ पा रहे. मेरा क्वेश्चन है, टेक्निकली ऐसा क्या हो जाता है कि स्पीड बढ़ जाती है? अब समझे? देखो, अब आप कार
प्रैक्टिस
लेट मी स्पीक. जैसे आप मारुति कार लेते हैं, उसका एक, अगर आप देखते हैं, उसमें कार की मैक्सिमम स्पीड 120 या 140 होती है. थोड़ा सा इनोवा में जाते हैं, 200 कुछ होता है. रेसिंग कार का देखते हैं तो और होता है. तो व्हाट डू वी से कि स्पीड के लिए टेक्निकली गाड़ी भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, कैसी गाड़ी यूज कर रहे हैं. और हमने ये तो कह दिया स्पीड बढ़ती है वैदिक मैथ से, बट क्या कारण था? हॉर्स पावर ऑफ द इंजन. कार्स में यही डिफरेंस था ना, सबके हॉर्स पावर जो इंजन के थे उस पर डिपेंड कर रहा था. सो सेम क्वेश्चन, आई रिपीट माय क्वेश्चन, because this is not what you'll find in the Google. Why do speed increases? Okay. Let me ask you a very simple question. How do you write on paper? Which direction? Yes, Mamta.
left to right we write, but in Vedic maths we can solve from right to left and left to right both.
So you got the point. So let me explain to everyone. So we always write from left to right. How do we read? Left to right. But it is only mathematics where we go reverse way. Why don't we do maths left to right? Have we ever tried? So if you ask any mathematics scholar, yes, how many of you are maths teachers over here? Gulshan, Siddhika, no, Sonu, Sonelal, Vishnu. So why we don't do maths left to right? So generally people answer, sir, unit place is on the right hand side, then tens place, there's 100. So that's why I do. This is the basic reason why your speed is slow. And today I'll prove this with an example. This is the first reason why in Vedic maths your speed increases, because you can calculate from left to right, also right to left. So you are independent of the direction. Second reason. What happens when if you do something on your own that you are able to do faster, or when you are dependent on someone, then you are able to do faster. For example, if your maid is absent, you are able to do faster, or when she's present, then you are able to do faster. Whenever you are doing your work independently, you are always faster, because dependency will always increase time. And in Vedic maths, you are independent of paper and pen. You are calculating everything with your mind. Yes, for some examples, you need practice. That I agree on that. So when you are independent of paper and pen, your speed automatically increases. So first reason was direction. Second is independence. Third, now we know that we are solving mentally. So that means some part of the calculation we keep in our minds. कुछ हम intellect में अपने दिमाग में रख लेते हैं calculation जब हम कर रहे हैं. तो इससे क्या होता है? हमारा right brain और left brain दोनों active हो जाते हैं. ये concept बहुत हमने सुना होगा, right brain active, left brain active. अबैकस में भी यूज करते हैं. तो किसका राइट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है और किसका लेफ्ट ब्रेन? Yes, so who does have their right brain active, and who are the people who have left brain active? Yes, any answer?
सर जो राइट हैंड यूज करते हैं उनका लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है, और जो लेफ्ट हैंड यूज करते हैं सर उनका राइट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है.
संगीता, आप रहते हैं बीकानेर में, करेक्ट?
यस सर.
आप न्यूक्लियर रहते हैं या फैमिली में?
सर जॉइंट फैमिली है.
जॉइंट फैमिली है. दादी ने कभी अलाउ किया था आपके बच्चों को लेफ्ट से लिखने देना? याद
नो
करो.
सर.
तो इसका मतलब अब जिन जिन के घर में दादियां हैं उनका तो कभी लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिव ही नहीं होगा. Got the answer? This is misconception. It is not related to hand. It is related to your instincts, your answers, your interest. DMIT में हम लोग ये चेक करते हैं. People who are logically stronger, आप क्लास में देखते होंगे कुछ बैक बेंचर्स भी होते हैं जिनका हर टाइम एक ही क्वेश्चन होता है, why, how. They are logically stronger. उनका लेफ्ट ब्रेन ज्यादा एक्टिव होता है. And people who are more towards arts, music, dance, they have their right brain active. But Vedic math से क्या होता है? दोनों ब्रेन एक्टिव हो जाते हैं. कैसे होंगे? Again, I'll prove you this today, and that is very important. एक एक्सरसाइज है. अगर आपने अपना ब्रेन फास्ट करना है, सिर्फ 2 मिनट की एक्सरसाइज है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Yes.
Actually, just now you said right brain and left brain. So among left brain and right brain, which brain is stronger? If you compare both of that brain.
It depends person to person. Na? That's what I said. People or students who are more inclined towards logics, mathematics, who always ask a question mark, why, how, that means they're logically stronger. Left is always for logics, and right is for your arts, music, and so on. Correct. But with Vedic math, but in actual, see, we need both. So Vedic maths improves coordination of both the brains. And that's what I was telling. A very simple exercise. is multiplication with 2. With this exercise, you can train your brains. I'll show you how. Right. So these three are the reasons why Vedic maths becomes calculations with Vedic maths become faster. And the last, yes, Mia ji, Amanullah Mia, any, and the last reason. Before asking you a last reason, I would ask you something. What is 576? Let me write so that you all can answer me. 576 into 121. My question is simple. How will you calculate? I don't want the answer. My question is very simple. How will you calculate? Yes, SR.
Actually, sir, we have to multiply each digit, and then we finally add that product.
Correct. 90% of the
Yes,
students, 99% of the students have the same answer.
Yes, sir.
But today you will not do this. You remember your answer. You will answer in a different manner to me after 20 minutes. Just remember you said this. Yes, anyone else who would like to add?
So first I would like to multiply it by 11 and again by 11.
You have already done it. Great. Now what happened? Yes, Amanullah. See, there is what increases with Vedic maths is visualization. आपने just 121 देखा and you started doing calculation. That's all. We never tried to visualize or think about the number. But in Vedic maths, what we work on? Visualization. We observe. Observation. There are certain calculations which you can just answer with visualization, or you call it as observation. Square roots is one such example. Now, square roots, every student needs at least 3 to 4 minutes to solve because they make factors. But in Vedic maths, we just see and tell the answer within 1 second or 2 seconds. Why? Because it is based on the observation. And that sutra is called as 𝐕𝐞𝐽 Sutra, by mere observation. So coming back, so we work on visualization. It enhances reasoning. We give a reason to that. We find why is it so. And the last we work on is logics. Now these three things, visualization, reasoning, and logic, these are called as life-changing process. If these three are stronger, all calculations and everything will be stronger. That is one thing. But your entire life will change. Why? Let's say, or I'll come with another point. If two students are fighting, what do you say first? What, as a mother, as a parent, or as a teacher, what do you say? Calm down. Calm down first. The first thing you say is calm down. What is the reason? You want them to visualize the situation, understand why. Observation is why. And think about it. Thinking is reasoning. And then take a decision. Is it worth? And just remember, if you follow these 3 steps in your life, you'll never get into any problem. Any problem comes in your life, just try to visualize. Is it? Why is it? How it can be solved? And that apply the logic. That's all. We have seen often. People get immediately react to the things. I didn't get this. You just calm down and think. Visualize. Find the reason. Why it happened. it's not because of the other person. It could be due to any other reason. Then apply the logic. You know, in Art of Living, I was a part of one ashram. I was doing seva over there. They always used to say yoga and meditation. Then I added to them, yoga heals the body, meditation heals your soul, but to heal the academic performance, Vedic maths is needed. That is a hardcore truth and people are following it. Right? So these are the 4 reasons why Vedic maths helps or enhances your speed. These are the reasons behind the scene, which we never think of. Any questions, any doubts you have? And then we'll start calculations now. Yes, any question? Mamta, Ehsan, Sonu, anyone? So the first topic we'll take is very simple. Some of you might be knowing also. If you know, great. Then let others understand it and understand why this is important. Please explain Vedic maths shortly, Siddhika. See, Vedic maths is what makes your calculation easy, simple, and faster. Right, Siddhika? You can ask, if you can speak, Hindi में बोल लो. Siddhika, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? और एक वर्ड में अगर निकालना है तो वैदिक मैथ्स इज व्हाट मेक्स योर मैथमेटिक्स मैजिकल. करेक्ट. Now, coming to the first topic of the day, which we'll be understanding, is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. A very powerful calculation which will give you so much of understanding of Vedic maths. Multiplication with 11 and its multiples. You can write down this because this would be my question. So we'll not get a teacher who is telling you this would be my question of the paper. Yes, so what are multiples of 11? Yes, it's easy to solve. Siddhika, just now check with these inputs. What we are, just practice this and you'll see you'll be faster than the calculator. So multiples of 11 are 22, 33, 44, 55, 99, and so on. So that means a table of 11. Now, why I opted for the first topic, multiplication with 11, you'll understand in very few minutes how powerful this is. A very 11. The 11 is a very magical number. Do you know why? You multiply 11 with any single digit number. The result is the same number written twice. 4, 44, 3, 33, 5, 55, 6, 66. Do you have any such number? No. This is only with 11. And but does this magic, it continues with 2-digit numbers? Let me ask you a simple question. What is 12? So this is a 2-digit number. If I multiply with 11, what is the answer? Yes, Assam. Siddiqui.
132.
132. Yes. So everybody agrees to it. See, now whatever we have rested, it's okay. That was the theory part. Now you have to buckle your shoes because we'll do at least 100 questions. So for that, you need to answer me. So only Sonilal and one more. That's all. Others? Siddhika? You don't know? See, you will not understand the magic. You'll not.
132, sir. 132.
132. How did you do, Assam?
Actually, I multiplied 12 into 12. And then from there, I minus just 12.
Wow. So then why not directly you multiply 12 with 11? That was much easier.
Yes, that is also the easy.
Or 11 into 11, 121. And then added
Yes, sir.
11. So see, there are so many ways. There are so many ways. You, like one said, 12 into 12 minus 12. First way. Second, first is this one only, directly 12 into 11. 11 into 11 plus. This is also way. So 3 ways. But again, can we do this mentally? No. So today I'll give you the easiest way. Whenever you are multiplying anything with 11, first digit as it is, second digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. What is 1 plus 2? 3. Finish. Another example, 24. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and 4. Check it.
264. Got the point, sir.
Now, try to do it mentally. Mentally is 1 as it is, 1 plus 2 becomes 3 and 2. Clear? Okay, if this is clear, what is the answer for 33? Please answer on the chat fast. Let's see who comes first.
363. Yes.
363, correct. What is the answer of 44?
484.
484. What is the answer of 43? Increase your speed, please.
473. 473.
Correct. 63.
693.
693. 12.
132.
132.
18.
198.
80.
880.
880.
Just tell me one simple thing. Are you not doing better than the calculator? Sonilal, please. Are you not doing better than the calculator?
Yes, sir. Very fast, sir.
Sonilal,
Sir, if you understand this,
Sonilal, we need to
why need to invest our money in calculator, sir? It is very easy method.
This you should think. This you should ask about your government and people. I am promoting this subject from last 1.5 years in Nepal, and we have trained so many teachers till now. No issues. Great. Now let's move further because this is just a start. So what is 36 into 11?
396.
396. What is 37 into 11?
310.7.
Very good. 310.7. Wow. 37 into 10 is 370 plus 37.
407.
Got it?
341.
Again wrong. 37 tha ye. I'll tell you what happened wrong. To understand this, we'll understand the basic thing, place values. How many digits come at unit place? How many digits?
One digit.
One digit. Everybody agrees? Anyone who does not agree? Okay. How many digits at tens position then?
2 digits, sir.
Wow. Anyone? Anyone who is in favor or against this statement? So neither you are in favor nor. See, maths cannot be understood by watching the TV. If you'll not try, if you'll not practice, you'll never be able to understand it. And I hope you all are learning to teach further to the students. So if you will not answer, you will not collect your solutions to your questions, then how will you be able to answer the students? They might ask you anything. So it's your day. You can ask me anything. Yes, tell me. Anyone who disagrees to this? So how many at 100 position then?
So 3.
This is what we are wrong. Because we have crammed the concept. In actual, at every position, only one digit can come. I'll give you a very simple example to this. Suppose there are 20 students in the class. So how many chairs do we place? 20.
So 20.
And one student, 2 students sit on one chair.
No, sir.
So how can one digit sit? Or 2 digits can sit at one place. Please understand. This was where we were doing wrong. In actual, only one digit here. It can be from 0 to 9 numbers. Only one digit here. It can be again 0 to 9. The total are 2. One at tens, one at unit. But if it is only 10, there cannot be 2. And we crammed it 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is why our mathematics gone down. If you understand just this concept, 85% of Vedic maths can be done by this. 85% of Vedic maths, can you think? Just this simple concept. Now just think, if a student is entering, 20 students have to enter a classroom. They are entering like this, one chair. So one student, if sit here, what will happen for the next student? He'll push them here. Correct? He's not allowed to sit. Same happens with the numbers. So when I said 36 into 11, it was 3 plus 6, 9, 6. Let's have a like this gap and fulfill with something called as balancing line. This is not visible physically, but in Vedic math we call it as balancing lines. Everything can be done with this. But when you took the example of 37, what happened? 3, 10, 7. Now just think, this is correct. One digit at one place. Can we have 2 digits here? Yes, tell me, Assam, can we have 2 digits at the middle place?
No, sir.
So that is the reason. Yes, Sangeeta, now you understood. That is the reason we push. So what happens by pushing? This becomes 4. So answer is 407.
407, yes, got it.
But how to do it mentally? So when it was asked 37, understood this. I was supposed to keep as it is, but no, I observed this. See, this is 2 brains using. First brain said 3, but the other brain said, no, I'm getting a carryover. When you add any 2 numbers, please put it in your mind. When you add any numbers, the maximum carryover can be only 1. It cannot be more than 1 because the maximum numbers are 9 plus 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18. So maximum carryover can be 1 only. So I immediately add that initially only. 4. What is 3 plus 7? 10. 1 has been gone, so only 0 is left. And 7 as it is. 407. This is how you can do mentally. But first day, so you can do like this also and take 2 steps. 407. So if you practice mentally, you'll make more faster, you'll get more and excitement, and that would be much helpful to you. Got it? Any doubt? So what is 48 into 11? Yes, give me the answer. Fast.
5 to 8.
Perfect. Anyone else? So only one is answering. Rest all know everybody. Yes, rest all already know this. Correct. 15, 5 into 10, 11. Fast.
605.
605.
78 into 11.
815.
758.
858.
858.
Perfectly. Okay. This is how you are increasing. 87 into 11.
957.
Sorry. कुछ कहना है? Okay. 91 into 11. Yes, 91 into 11.
9 plus.
1 0 1 0 0 1.
So 1001.
Okay. So what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
So what is 99 into 11?
1089.
Very good, Siddhika. So see, 99. If I so automatically I do this. 9 plus 9 gives 8 and 9. Finish. Now tell me one thing. If this is only the question, try on your calculator. Who is faster, you or your calculator? Because in calculator, you have to press 5 numbers. First 99, then cross, then 11, 5, then is equal to 6 digits you have to press. And here, your brain will give you the answer before that. So which is, who is much faster, your brain or you, or your calculator?
The brain.
Yeah, I'm asking particularly from people from Nepal. Don't take it otherwise, but please understand. See, our government in India, our government has recognized this knowledge, and we have added this as in our national education policy. But still, so we are teaching now. We have to teach right from class 3rd onwards. But Nepal, I had long discussions with CDC, your Curriculum Development Council, your Nepal Board of Examinations. With Tribhuvan, I have given the sessions. Kathmandu University, I have given sessions. 70 schools already done. But still, there is no formal orders from government. So you need to work for your schools, your students. And if you're a parent, for your children. Okay. So any doubt from numbers 11 to 99? Sorry. Any doubt from numbers 11 to 99?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
10
at 9.
No
doubt, sir.
You need to understand, you are in a class. If you will not follow the discipline, how will I be able to teach you? And later also, if I'll give you the video, it wouldn't be anything effective. Yes, any doubt from 11 to 99? Okay. Let's move to the. Let's take a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3 into 11. Now what is the answer? Fast. Let's see fast. Who gives the answer? Okay. Since it is the first 3-digit, I'll tell you. 1 as it is. That 1 plus 2. What is that? 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5.
3.
And 3 as it. How easy? 1, 3, 5, 3. Anyone who did not understand this, please ask. Yes, Siddhika, Sonilal, Ehsan. Is it clear now?
I got the point, sir.
Okay, so then what is 321 into 11? Fast, give me the answer.
3, 5, 3, 1.
Now, you understand what you are using. You are using your brain. You are trying to imagine, observe, visualize the number. You visualize.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ehsan.
Actually, if you multiply 3 to 1 into 11, it becomes 3, 5, 3, 1. But if you multiply it with 12, then same process will happen there.
No. See, what topic I started with? Now, what is your age? Sorry, I'm asking your age, but or what is your qualification?
Actually, sir, I completed my bachelor.
That means you took 12 years to learn maths, and then you took 3 years more. 15 years you took to learn maths. Now, today you want in 15-20 minutes to learn entire Vedic maths. See, this is just one start. This is just to make you understand that Vedic maths can be powerful. But yes, I'll give you the reasons how it is different from maths, and then you'll have a clear-cut picture. For 12, this is not the concept. I'll tell you that also later. Yes, what is 444 into 11? Fast.
So 4884.
4.
Easy. Okay. 545.
Sir,
5995.
5995.
Okay, I changed to 554 now.
Okay. 6, 0,
6094.
6094.
Perfect. Whoever answered, clap for yourself. Pat yourself. See how fast you are doing. You cannot do it on calculator such faster. Now again I'm changing. I'm making it 5, 4. Now
6006.
everyone.
5. No. 0.
6006.
6006.
Correct. 5 as it is. If I take, this is 9. Here it is 10. And here it is 6. So this passes on here. This further passes on here. So 6006. Very good, Siddhika. Great. But why I said you to stop, because let others also try on that. Because this was a very typical question. Okay. So now if it is 555. Try. 6, 1, 0, 5. See how? First, I cannot write 5 because one carryover is coming.
6105.
Now 5, but I observe that there is a carryover coming, so I write 0, 1, and 5. So see, this is how you start using your brain. And your brain is so powerful, you can do wonders. Again, I am repeating. Okay. First, let's complete this, then I'll give you some hints. 6, 7, 8 into 11. Fast.
Seven, 3, 7, 4. Sorry, 4, sir.
Then 7
So
plus
7458. 7458.
no, not easy. Now just you should have a calculator with you and compare the timing. Okay. 8, 7, 8. Now tell me.
Eight, 6, 5, 8.
8, 6, 5.
9, 6, 5, 8.
How it will be 8? Hasan? If I am getting
Sorry. 9, 6, 5, 8, sir. 9, 6, 5, 8. It's my mistake.
No issues. Clear now? Okay. One more, and then we'll finish it off this also. Eight, 9, 9. Now tell me. Fast.
9,889.
Very
So
good.
9889.
988.
Okay. Last question of this. What is the largest 3-digit number?
999. Triple
What is 9?
9.
So what is 999 into 11?
1, 0, 0, 1, 1009.
10,989.
So 10989.
10989.
Yes, sir.
9. Somebody answer 100. So please understand. This becomes 10. 9 plus 9 is 8, but one more is coming. And this finish. Done? Okay. Let's move further. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. 4 digits now. What is the answer? Please, fast. Because we have another topic, very important topic.
13574.
Very good. Anyone who has a doubt on this? Anyone? Please ask me so that before we move to 40-digit multiplication. Yes, anyone? Siddhika, Sonelal? Anyone? Sangeeta?
No, sir.
So is it clear? Okay.
Sir.
Perfect. Reverse it. 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the answer? Often I have seen people are asking
4, 7, 5, 1.
See, maths is what you can make your own questions, your own assignments, own exercises. Once you get that interest in that, you will understand how easily you can do maths. We'll not practice more on this. Now, 1, 2. Okay. So last 4-digit number is this. Please find out the answer. I'll be back in 1 second. 1 minute, I'll be back.
One zero 989.
Okay. So it was 10, 9, 10. So this
Yes.
combination was 9, this combination was 9, then 8, and then 9. Finish. Yeah. Perfect, Sonilal, Sangeeta, very good. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. What is the answer? Fast, 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 mentally.
1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5.
सर 135795.
ओके संगीता, अगर ये क्वेश्चन मैंने सबसे पहले पूछा होता, क्या हम आंसर दे पाते? या किसी
नो सर.
बच्चे से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए, किसी टीचर से पूछा जाए, will we be able to answer this? And now think, कितना इजी है ये? It is easy ना?
यस सर.
अगर यही इसमें 40 डिजिट्स भी कर देता हूँ, लो any number of digits, let's say, and just this is continuing. If I have to multiply this with 11, can we do? Yes. First is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 5. कितना easy है? Yes or no?
यस सर.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Please.
Sir, the problem is there like this. We can do it. I agree with that. But the problem after some time, parents are like that, ma'am. There is no use in the school because we don't have all the numbers by 11 only, and we cannot perform like very well. It is like a show off, like we are showing I can do it, but it's about only the 11 digits. What about with other digits? That is the main question that parents always ask from us. So how can we reply and how can we satisfy them?
So you are teaching Vedic mathematics, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one thing. Like just now, somebody asked me, can we teach entire mathematics what they learned in 3 years? See, class 1 they start with addition, class 2 they start with subtraction, class 3 they start with multiplication. They take 3 years. Can we complete entire multiplication which they learned in 3 days within 1 hour?
Yeah, I agree, sir. Because but sir, we have
Let me come to the point. Let me come to the point. Now,
okay, sir.
This workshop is not regarding, I didn't mention we'll be learning entire multiplication.
No, I know, sir. There is a huge respect. I know very well. It's a workshop. I'm just asking if I can because
I'll answer you. I'm answering you. Now, very first thing, now there is a hitch. First thing in India and Nepal. Now, today we have only two countries representing here. Let's start from India on. Yes, national education policy has been implemented. This you also know, I also know. But this is still in papers. And if you check my website, my page, I received a letter from government of Haryana in it was around 13th or 20th March 2021. So 3 years have been gone. I am training the teachers only. Still, it is not implemented to the students. 1 point. Second point, why parents ask you? Because till now, they are in a doubt whether this will be a part of formal education or not. Reason behind it is our teachers. If we talk about any teacher, any school, you mention any, you take any XYZ school. Now, maths teachers, they are always paid high respect, highest salaries. And it is only the math subject where highest number of people fail or students fail. 40, see, average strength of a class is 40. 30 students go to after school tuition with the same teacher or with the other, and principal does not dare to ask the math teacher what you are teaching at home if you're not teaching in class. And the worst thing is, it's okay if they are going. The worst part is, still 10 students are failing every time. That means 25% of the students are failing. Do you know the reason behind that? The reason was we were enforcing mathematics. If a student is not able to understand what is 12 plus 18, we force them. No, you please understand 12 plus 14 is this. Now, just now when we started this topic, I asked the question, what is 12 into 11? This was the question, 12 into 11. Now, generally, what we teach is this only. This is how you need to multiply. We don't give them any other option. But today, somebody said, yes, 12 into 12, 144 minus 12, or 11 into 11 plus 11. Now, what is this going on? We need to give the students a chance to think. That is known as critical thinking. That is what Vedic maths enhances. What is the function of Vedic maths? Very first thing, journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. First thing, now first day when any student come to the class, if you'll start with the core session, you feel comfortable? No. Why? Because he has not come to your class on his own. Everybody has a fear of maths already. So parents have enforced, okay, go and join the class. So first class, you need to remove that fear. Second class, now comes confidence building. Because now, like you are doing something, you are doing or you are able to do because you are confident, yes, I can. But do our students have that feeling? Yes, I can. They fear to answer also. So Vedic maths gives that feeling or creates that feeling, yes, I can. And that removes mathematics anxiety. The third important issue is critical thinking. You have to think beyond the box. This is not only the solution. The solution is try to, this is one way, this is another way, because like our 10 fingers are not same. 10 students cannot be same. So Vedic maths gives that ability to think in a different manner. So these three things work out. First,
sorry to interrupt, sir. I got your point, because here we are building the confidence and we are playing with the psychology. I understood, because of the psychology, like I can do, so they can do. But my question is, if you allow, can I ask, because I purchased the books and seriously content is very nice and I want to ask more about it, but I will ask you personally. So the question is like, sometimes I get, because of my experience, even if I go with my daughter, she's 9 years old only, few tricks are very useful, but few tricks if I teach her, so like they can confuse, because academic rules are different and Vedic math rules are different sometimes.
That is what you are answering now. That is the answer. I didn't answer this thing. You have answered your problem. You know what is the problem? There is a math subject in schools till now. They don't have Vedic maths.
Yes.
Correct. So the marks are allocated on the basis of what? On the steps. Now, you will find 10% of such parents. So do you know what I answer? I answer them one simple question. Are you sending your kids to any of extracurricular activity? Let it be abacus, let it be yoga, let it be meditation, let it be dance, let it be anything. If their answer is no, please understand, if their answer is no, that means that parents are not looking for anything extra for their rewards. And today, I don't find any such parent. Coming to, if their answer is yes, so you need to see, very first thing is awareness, clarification. So we have to create that atmosphere. Yes, Vedic maths. Why? Now, to those parents, you need to answer, like for those extracurricular activities that are apart from the education, don't mix it until it is formally applicable into the schools. Now, tomorrow when Vedic maths would be taught as a subject, few schools in Bangalore, they are teaching my subject. From class 3rd onwards, I'll share you the certificates.
Agree, sir.
There, a maths teacher will not say you have to follow steps only. Second thing, you need to advocate the parents. Why do you send your wards to Kota and other institutions when they are not studying 9th standard regular in the class? Why? What are they going for? They're going to enhance knowledge. So consider Vedic maths as knowledge. For such parents, I am telling you. But otherwise, the day when this would be formally applicable.
So can we have the another content? So
no, I think we will discuss on that later.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. No worries.
Sonia, please, we should have patience to listen also. See, what she is asking, that is concerned to you also. Because tomorrow you will face the same situation.
Yes, sir. Yes, I understood.
Her question is not wrong. Please understand this. Her question is perfect. And this problem, though I am the most successful person in Nepal. Why I say? Because I am the only trainer in Nepal. But still, your government is not able to understand the value. I had serious talks this time when I was there in Nepal. So okay, politically we can leave. Now my question is, let's come back to the point. My question is, what did you observe from this calculations? Okay, what was the topic? I'll ask this way. What was the topic? Yes, Sonila. What was the topic we did just now?
Multiplication with 11.
Multiplication with 11. Perfect. My question is, where did we do multiplication? Did we do multiplication? Yes or no? What's your answer on that? Where did we do multiplication? Yes, Amanullah, Mia, Siddhika.
With mind, yes, in our mind.
With
brain.
So, okay, if you said you did with brain, so what was your observation? These questions need to be answered.
Yes, sir. Brain can faster than
Sangeeta.
any modern tech.
No, that's not sharpness of mind, Sangeeta. Yes, Sangeeta. So no, you need to answer such questions for the parents, then only they'll be understanding. So yes, my topic was multiplication with 11. My question is, where did we perform multiplication? If we didn't perform multiplication, what did we do? That's the question. Yes. No answers. This is wrong. Okay. Rakhi is saying addition. Vishnu, addition. So we did addition. Yes, Sonila, can we say we did addition? So coming back to the roots, we need to understand right from class 3rd. When the first topic of multiplication started, we were taught 2 into 3 is equal to 6. But if you remember your days, nobody understood this cross. No one.
Yes, sir.
So how did you answer them? You said, if you add 2 3 times, this is 6. Or if you add 3 2 times, this is 6. And then a definition of multiplication was given. multiplication is
Yes, sir.
repeated addition, correct? But
Yes, sir. Yes.
here my first question was 12 into 11. So did I add it 12, 11 times? Or did I add it 11, 12 times? So then how is it addition?
Sure, sir.
So how addition? That's what my question is. Raki and Vishnu answered that these are addition. We did it. Please understand, you need to be very appropriate while teaching to the students. They get confused because we are confused. We don't know the actual words. And that is due to lack of practice and lack of willingness to understand. When did we open our book last time? When we gave the last exam. Okay. So in actual, we were not doing addition. So what we were doing? Please observe the same number again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I added 1 and did I added 1 and 3? No. Did I added 1 and 4? No. Did I added 4, 1 and 5? No. So what I was adding? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. What is this? You were adding corresponding digits, or what you can say is neighboring digits. So this was a kind of addition, but in actual words would be you were adding corresponding digits. Not, you cannot say we did addition. That will again create a confusion to the students. We are here to remove that confusion, that fear. And again, if we are putting them again to the confusion, then whose fault? Then anything else you observed, any important thing in your life, what you never did before in your life? Yes, Siddiqui, Sonilal, anyone? So first observation was we added corresponding digits. Anything else? Yes, Ahsan?
No,
No,
sir. No.
sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir. Nothing else.
Nothing else we learned. In your lifetime, you never multiplied or you never calculated left to right. This is the first time in your life you were doing left to right calculations. And you were doing 1 as it is, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 7, 9,
5, 7,
5.
9, 5.
Now just try again. Try to do mentally this way. You would be faster on, you might be on faster on paper from right to left, but mentally you will be always slower. Why? Yes, anyone can give me the answer. Why? कभी साइकिल चलाया है? How many of you have साइकिल किसने चलाया? संगीता?
Mr. Siddiqui?
Yes, sir.
आगे
हमने
से
भी
हवा
चलाया
होती
है.
है. जब आगे से हवा होती है तो स्पीड फास्ट होती है, स्लो हो जाती है.
स्लो हो जाती है.
फिर स्लो हो जाता है,
और जब पीछे से हवा होती है तो
फास्ट हो जाता है.
तो यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. हम पढ़ते तो ऐसे थे 1 2 3 4 5 और कैलकुलेट ऐसे कर रहे थे, इसलिए मेंटली पॉसिबल नहीं था. आप देख लीजिए, ये आपके सामने नंबर है, आपके सामने आंसर है. यू टेल मी वेदर लेफ्ट टू राइट इज फास्टर मेंटली और राइट टू लेफ्ट. आप अपना आंसर चैट में लिख सकते हैं. अगर खुलेआम नहीं बताना चाहते तो आप, और नहीं भी बताना चाहते, अपने आप सोचिए कि लेफ्ट टू राइट फास्ट है या राइट टू लेफ्ट.
Left to right fast है सर.
तो फिर आज
Yes,
तक
sir.
नहीं किया? फिर आज तक क्यों नहीं किया? नाउ डोंट से
आइडिया नहीं था सर.
हाँ किसी ने सिखाया नहीं.
हाँ,
मैं
सर.
यही आंसर सुनना चाहता था, किसी ने सिखाया नहीं. सोशल मीडिया, चैटिंग, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, टिकटॉक, किसने सिखाया? वो भी तो हमने एक दूसरे से पूछा के कर लिया. सोनेलाल अननोन। मदर्स ने, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें सिर्फ रोटी और परोठा खाना सिखाया था, हम पिज्जा पास्ता और जाने क्या क्या सीख गए। बट एक पढ़ाई की बात करें तो हमें किसी ने आके सिखाया नहीं। व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट? समबडी शुड कम टू यू एंड टीच यू। हर बुक, हर नॉलेज, हर टॉपिक फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, हर जगह अवेलेबल है। कभी हमने खोल के देखा? और फिर हम कहते हैं AI will replace the teachers. AI will not replace the teachers, but yes, it will replace those who are just working on content. That's all. They are not focusing on delivery. We'll discuss this tomorrow. जो कल के सेशन में है लोग। Any doubt before I go for the test? Now we have a test. Then we'll go to the second topic. Yes. कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए, नहीं तो मैं टेस्ट ले लेता हूँ फास्ट। बताइए सर। Anyone has a doubt? अब आप ही कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है, बोल नहीं पाते, तो आप बच्चों से कैसे?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So first question is, what is 141 into 22? Please answer.
1551.
Wrong.
1,
Oh, sorry, 22.
252.
हाँ जी,
252.
wrong. Yes, एहसान।
3102.
कैसे किया सिद्दीका? How did you do? सिद्दीका, how you did it? Your answer is correct, but कैसे किया? सिद्दीका, you need to teach them. You're doing good. बोलो, कैसे किया? Yes, Amanullah. Here.
मेरा क्वेश्चन तो आंसर रॉन्ग था सर।
आप कैसे सोच रहे थे, वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ना, फिर मैं बता दूंगा आपको।
नहीं, मैं उसी मेथड पे सोच रहा था कि पहले और दो का दो इधर का दो कर दे, बीच का जोड़ दिया, इसीलिए मैं वैसा आंसर दिया।
सोच ठीक थी, पर क्योंकि आप क्लास में लेट आए थे इसलिए हो सकता है। संगीता।
सर फर्स्ट हम 141 को से 11 से करते हैं, फिर देन सर जो आंसर होता है उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे।
क्यों ऐसा किया आपने? यस सिद्दीका, व्हाट यू डिड नाउ? ये क्यों नहीं निकल पाया आपसे पता है? बिकॉज यू वर नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन द सेशन। जो इन्वॉल्व होंगे वो कैसे कर पाएंगे? यस, तितिक्षा, सोनेलाल, विष्णु, राखी, गुलशन खातून। मैंने पहले भी बताया था, मैथ्स वीडियो देख के मूवी की तरह नहीं सीख सकते। ये 22 क्या था, यही आपको ऑब्जर्व करना था, विजुअलाइज करना था। 22 कुछ नहीं, 11 का मल्टीपल है। तो हर क्वेश्चन टीचर क्लास में नहीं कराता जो उसका पेपर में लेता है। सो इट वाज वेरी सिंपल, 141 into 11 into 2, 1551 into 2, 3102।
यस सर।
यस नहीं मैम। एक बच्चा पीछे खड़ा होके बोलता है वाई नॉट 141 into 2 into 11, 282 into 11, 3102। ये दोनों करेक्ट हैं, पर कौन सा एप्रोप्रिएट है, कौन सा है जो हर जगह चलेगा? नाउ टेल मी संगीता, सिद्दीका। और जिसको ये ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पाया कि व्हाट इज 22, इसका मतलब वो ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है, विजुअलाइज नहीं कर पा रहा नंबर्स को। यही मैजिक दिखाना चाहता था मैं, कि कैसे हमारी सोच बदल जाती है देखने की नंबर्स को। ये सोनू, दैट एग्जांपल्स नीड टू बी सेट। हमें बच्चों को ऑब्जर्वेशन मोड में लाना पड़ता है। Yes, which is correct?
Second,
Why? बोलिए बोलिए, जो भी आपके मन में, देखो करेक्शन देखो करेक्शन तभी करूंगा जब आप बताएंगे।
नहीं, बेस 11 से अगर लेकर जा रहा है तो इजी होता है कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए।
ओके, कृतिका, विष्णु, सोनेलाल, गुलशन। गुलशन, आप किस लिए अटेंड कर रहे हैं?
Yes,
आप
sir.
कोई आंसर नहीं देना
I
चाहते?
totally agree with the second one. I totally agree with the second one.
Why?
Easy to calculate with multiply with 2.
No, this is not the reason. This is not the reason. See, अभी मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ। अगर 22 की बजाय 77 होता, let's take, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाता? 155 into 7, और यहाँ क्या आता? 141 into 7। तो कौन सा आसान है, फर्स्ट या सेकंड? 141 into 7 इजी है। ये लो, मैं दूसरे पेन से लिख देता हूँ। 1551 into 7 आ गया यहाँ, यहाँ 141 into 7 आ गया। विच इज इजी, फर्स्ट और सेकंड?
सेकंड वन।
सर सेकंड।
दूसरा मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया था कि 11 को तो आप 40 नंबर से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो। क्या मैंने और किसी नंबर के लिए बताया? तो याद करो, रखो, सबसे आखिरी में 11 रखो, पहले सारी कैलकुलेशंस निपटा लो। दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू थिंक। फर्स्ट get all calculations done and keep 11 at the last, because 11 के साथ तो आप बड़े से बड़ा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, बाकी के साथ नहीं कर सकते। करेक्ट? सो दिस इज मोर अप्रोप्रिएट, फर्स्ट थिंग। तो एग्जांपल, कभी भी 22 हो, 44 हो, 33 हो, 77 हो, 99 हो, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई विद 2, 4, 3, 7, 9 and keep 11 at the last. Correct? Okay, we have to hurry. 576 into 121. अब क्या करेंगे? अमनुल्लाह, सोनेलाल, जल्दी। ताकि दूसरा
76 into 11 into 11 सर।
100 सर, 100 को 100 से पहले इंटू कर कर लास्ट में 21 से इंटू कर देंगे, ऐसा होगा।
तो फिर
पहले
21
डबल
भी
डिजिट,
21 भी तो 121 नहीं, फिर वही बात ध्यान। अगर इसको आप ये मान लें 11 into 11 है, तो क्या कितना इजी हो गया? इसका क्या
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
है? 6336 into 11 क्या आया? 69696। फिर ये मेंटली कर सकते हैं। Got it? So this was all because of visualization, reasoning, logic. तो मैथ्स, जब हम वैदिक मैथ्स करते हैं, हम विजुलाइज करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि ये नंबर्स क्या हैं। दैट मेक्स द थिंग्स इजियर। ऐसे अपने आप नहीं हो जाता इजियर। सिर्फ 2 ट्रिक्स रट्टे मार से नहीं होगा। You need to change your habits. Anyhow, let's come back because we have very less time left. Okay, so the first point was why Vedic maths? Because it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. दूसरा, so this you can download the notes. I'll share you after this session. जिनका मेरे पास WhatsApp number नहीं है, they can send it to me so that I can share with them the notes. Second, if you have not filled the form and you have joined, certificate चाहिए तो अपना form भर देना. So these notes you will be getting all down. You can download. I'll share you the links. So what we did, we were actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. This was the first observation. And the second, we were calculating from left to right. दूसरा बड़ा कारण, why should we do Vedic maths? सबसे ज्यादा burden क्या है बच्चों के ऊपर? Yes, Ehsan. Up till which number you know the tables? You are a teacher. Yes, सोनेलाल, आप टीचर हैं। गुलशन, यू आर अ टीचर। कितने नंबर्स तक आपको टेबल्स आते हैं?
up to 15,
तो फिर
20.
आप बच्चों से तो पूछते ज्यादा के भी हैं, क्यों?
हाँ, yes sir.
क्यों पूछते हैं? फिर तंग करने के लिए, उनको मारने के लिए सिर्फ। हाँ, जो मार आपने खाई थी बचपन में वो बदला निकालते हैं सिर्फ, है ना? एंड दिस इज विद एवरीवन। आप 100 टीचर से पूछोगे 99 को नहीं आता। बट टुडे आई विल रिमूव दैट फियर। यू कैन डू एवरी टेबल विद इन 10 सेकेंड्स।
एक्चुअली सर नेपाल बोर्ड में क्या होता है ना सर, बच्चों का कैलकुलेटर यूज किया जाता है, तो पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
अभी बाहर आपको पता है इस बार इंजीनियरिंग की सीट्स आपकी खाली रह गई हैं, पता है आपको? मैं बता देता हूँ आपके इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में इस बार सीट्स खाली क्यों रह गई, क्योंकि मैथ्स में पास करने वाले बच्चे बहुत कम थे। तो सिचुएशन इतनी गिरती जा रही है। और एक और चीज बताता हूं, डोंट टेक इट पर्सनल और किसी तरह से नहीं। अफ्रीका में एक बहुत बड़े पर्सन हुए हैं जिन्होंने एक चीज कही थी, किसी कंट्री को अगर खत्म करना है या वो कुछ करना है ना, तो नकल अलाउ कर दो। गिविंग कैलकुलेटर इन द एग्जाम हॉल इज लाइक यू आर अलाउइंग देम टू चीट। बच्चा पढ़ेगा क्यों? मैथ्स कराई क्यों रहे हैं हम, जब कैलकुलेटर दे देते हैं, लो भैया कर लो कैलकुलेशन। समझे आप इस पॉइंट को? कोई बात नहीं,
यस सर,
हम करेंगे इस पे डिस्कस। सो बर्डन ऑफ टेबल्स, एक सर एक चेक कर लेते हैं। एक क्वेश्चन सिंपल, 89 का टेबल कितने मिनट में लिख सकते हैं? सभी मुझे चैट पे आंसर दें, फिर हम इसको करते हैं जल्दी। लेट्स एवरीबॉडी, यस संगीता, हाउ मच टाइम यू नीड टू राइट अ टेबल ऑफ 89? एहसान, एवरीवन?
1 minute सर।
Very good. So we'll make it more. Okay. Let's come now. So we learn biggest burden. हर बच्चे को यही डर होता है मैथ से। जो डर का रिश्ता है ना, वो ये टेबल से स्टार्ट होता है। जो क्रैमिंग वर्ड है वो टेबल से आया, क्योंकि हर टीचर, हर सब्जेक्ट टीचर, चाहे वो इंग्लिश हो, हिंदी हो, साइंस हो, सोशल साइंस हो, लैंग्वेज हो, everybody says understand the concept, learn it and remember it. But it is only mathematics when we start with the tables, we say cram kar lo, ratta maar lo. And a child up till 6th standard, he is not able to understand, is cramming and learning easier or understanding and learning is beneficial? He is not able to understand. और ये कंफ्यूजन ही बच्चे को नीचे लाती हैं। So today we'll learn two concepts. First concept is tables of numbers ending with 9. तो कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं जो एंड करते हैं 9 से? Yes, what are the numbers ending with 9?
19,
29, 29, 39, 49,
49, 56, 59.
Very good जी, 119 so and all. So we'll do that also. 119 भी करेंगे, 100000, anything, but the only unit place पे 9 होना चाहिए। Second, any general tables, that is चाहे वो 2 digit हो, चाहे 3 digit हो, 4 digit हो, 5 digit हो, you can do easily. Correct? So let's start. What is this? First, what is this? बच्चे होते तो इस टाइम शोर मचा देते हैं, उनको सबको पता है। बड़ों को नहीं पता, या तब खेली थी, अब भूल गए?
Sir, tic tac.
See, that excitement needs to be done. जो अभी मैम कह रहे थे, बच्चे घबरा क्लास में अरे बच्चों को पहले दिन ही गेम खिलाओ. I'll share a video. 85 students in one class, Zoom class. सेकेंड डे जब मेरी कोऑर्डिनेटर ने, आई वाज लेट फॉर सम टाइम, कोऑर्डिनेटर पूछी आज क्या पढ़ना है. पढ़ना नहीं है, आज भी गेम ही खेलेंगे. See, that is where you deal with the interest. Okay. So first step is make this. Second step is write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you start from the rightmost corner, come in the middle, and move towards up. ये कर लेंगे आप? करिए जल्दी से. Done?
Done, sir.
Great. Now, हमने कहा कि we will be writing tables of 19, 29, 39, 49, 89, anything that ends with 9. Now, what we are going to do is, we are using first sutra of Vedic maths. First formula जो होता है Vedic maths का, वो होता है एक अधिक. I'm breaking it. एक अधिक, ये देखो एक है, ये अधिक है, एना. संस्कृत में आपको पता ही है, ये लगते हैं वर्ड्स पूर्वेना, पूर्वेना. इसका मतलब है 1 more than previous. एकाधिकेना पूर्वेना फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है, फर्स्ट सूत्रा है, जिसका मतलब है 1 more than previous. ये ट्रांसलेशन है, बट मैथमेटिकली इसका मतलब क्या है? Add 1 to the previous number. बस हमने इसको लगाना कैसे है वो देखना है. ये टेबल्स कंसेप्ट में हमने 9 में कुछ नहीं करना. 9 एज इट इज रहेगा. जो उसके आगे नंबर है उसमें एकाधिकेना पूर्वेना लगा देना है, मतलब ऐड 1 कर देना है. 1 का बन जाएगा 2, 4 का बन जाएगा 5, 8 का बन जाएगा 9, 11 का बन जाएगा 12, 3 का बन जाएगा 4. कोई प्रॉब्लम इसमें? कोई प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
नो प्रॉब्लम सर.
चलो, हमने ये क्वेश्चन किया 19 करते ही अब पहला टेबल हम 19 का कर रहे हैं. तो मैंने क्या कहा, यहाँ पे इसका एक आधिकेना लगाया तो क्या नया नंबर आ गया? 2. करेक्ट. बस इस 2 को हर जगह ऐड करना है. 1 + 2 कितना हुआ? यस ऐसा. व्हाट इज 1 + 2?
3 सर. 3.
हमने यहाँ 3 लिख दिया. + 2 कितना हुआ? कीप ऑन एडिंग. 5. ये उल्टा वापस आना है. 5 + 2 कितना हुआ? 7.
7.
9 + 2 11, 13 + 2 15 + 2 17 और 19. इसका मतलब 19 से स्टार्ट किया, 19 एंड किया, फिनिश. इसके पीछे 0 लगा दो. क्या बन गया ये टेबल? 19 1 * 19, 19 2 * 38, 3 * 57, 4 * 76, 5 * 95, 6 * 114, 7 * 132, 15. फिनिश. जो बच्चा डरता था टेबल 19 का, कितने सेकंड लगनी है? 10 सेकंड्स. एक और एग्जांपल, ये समझ आ गया? इज इट क्लियर? एक फास्ट करते हैं थोड़ा. जिसको क्वेश्चन है प्लीज पूछ ले. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. लेट्स से हमें 39 का लिखना है, तो क्या ऐड करना है? 4. 3 + 4 7, 7 + 4 11, 11 + 4 15, 15 + 4 19, 19 + 4
19 plus 4.
23, 23 + 4 27, 27 + 4 31, 31 + 4 35 और 39. फिनिश. सिंपल. ऐड कर करके खत्म कर दिया. इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर.
सो प्लीज डू 29 फास्ट. 29 का करके देखें, फिर आगे चलते हैं. we'll have 10-15 minutes extra. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं किसी को? यस, बताइए।
डन सर।
डन, वेरी गुड। देखिए दिस वाज माय क्वेश्चन। वेरी गुड संगीता, ग्रेट। तो सी 10 सेकंड्स में आप कर पाएंगे। अब जो पहला क्वेश्चन था मेरा 89 सबसे मुश्किल लोगों को लगता है, अगर नहीं तो आज अपने पड़ोस के 10 टीचर से पूछ लेना, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा कितना डरते हैं वो इस चीज से। 89, दैट मींस वी हैव टू ऐड 9, सो 8 + 9 17, 17 + 9 26, 26 + 9 35, 35 + 9 44, 44 + 9 53, 62 71 80 89। कितने सेकंड लगे? 9 सेकंड लगे सिर्फ। जब मैं समझा रहा हूं, अगर मैं अपने आप करूं तो 8 सेकंड 7 सेकंड। क्लियर? ये समनुल्लाह मियां, कोई क्वेश्चन?
ठीक है सर, आइडिया।
परफेक्ट। उसके बाद ये बुक्स मिल जाएंगी आपको, तो और आपके लिए क्लियर हो जाएगा। 119 ले लेते हैं एक एग्जांपल। अब 11 है, 11 में का मतलब क्या ऐड करना है? 12, सो 11 + 12 इज 23, 23 + 12 is 35, 35 + 12 47, 47 + 12 59, 59 + 12 71, 75 + 12 83, 83 + 12 95, 95 + 12 107, 107 + 5 12 119। Finish. Got it? Any
Yes,
question you
sir.
have? Any questions you have in? Okay. Now, हो गया ये नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 9। किसी को डाउट है प्लीज पूछ लीजिए आगे, फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं। एनीवन? एहसान, सिद्दीका?
नो डाउट सर।
परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड। बस बताते रहिए साथ साथ ताकि आगे चलते रहेंगे। ओके, अगर मैं 87 का पूछूं कितनी देर लगाएंगे? 89 तो मैंने कर दिया है 10 सेकंड में। 87 के लिए हाउ मच टाइम यू नीड? बोलिए। हाउ मच टाइम यू नीड फॉर 87? सोच ही नहीं पाते दिमाग का। चलिए छोड़िए। अब अभी मेरी बात हो रही थी तो सभी को 12 तक के तो आते हैं। लेट्स, अक्सर ये प्रॉब्लम मैं पूछता हूँ, 12 तक के टेबल्स आते हैं तो 13 में क्या हो जाता है? यस संगीता,
Yes,
What?
sir.
13 का टेबल कर लेंगे? यस सर, नो?
Yes, sir.
कितना मिनट?
Sir, 1 minute.
1 मिनट। सो हाउ डू वी डू? हम जनरली क्या करते हैं? रट्टा मारते हैं। 13 1 से 13, 13 2 से 26,
13 to the
26.
26,
13 3 is 39.
अरे भैया
39,
बहुत इजी है।
13 4
13
52।
अगर इसको 73 कर दूंगा तो अभी पता चल जाएगा सबका। करेक्ट। कुछ अच्छे टीचर आ जाते हैं, वो समझाते हैं कि ऐसे मत करो, आप ऐड करते जाओ, क्योंकि हमने एक चीज सीखी हुई है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज रैपिटिव एडिशन। तो 13 + 13 कर लो, 26 आ जाएगा। 26 में फिर 13 जोड़ते जाओ, 39 आ जाएगा। बहुत अच्छी बात है। बट वही 73 हुआ तो मल्टीपल कैरी ओवर्स जुड़ते चले जाएंगे। अब कैरी ओवर्स में आपको फिर दिक्कत आएगा। चलिए बड़ा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ। 1 का टेबल किसको आता है? जो आंसर नहीं देगा आई कंसीडर कि उसको नहीं आता।
तो
और
सभी को
मैं नाम मैं नहीं मान सकता ना, कुछ लोग अभी भी शायद नहीं आता है। यस एवरीवन?
आता है सर।
ना फिर लिख दो,
हाँ।
लिख दो।
यस सर, आता है।
अच्छा चलो, किसको 3 का नहीं आता? 3 का किसको नहीं आता?
आता है सर।
सबको ही नहीं आता, तो फिर अभी तक नहीं हुआ। जब 1 का
आता है।
आता है, 1 का आता है, 3 का आता है, तो 13 में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अब देखो कैसे करना था। 1 हो गया, 1 का फिनिश। 3 का
Yes, sir.
6, 9, 12, 15, 19, 21, 24, 27, 30 हो गया। अब ये देखिए, लेटेस्ट इसको मान लो यूनिट प्लेस, इसको टेंस प्लेस मान लो, तो क्या है, इसको जोड़ दो 13, 26, 39। पहले 3 आंसर आपको बिना कुछ किए आ गए, आप बार बार उसको मल्टीप्लाई रट्टा मार रहे थे या ऐड कर रहे थे, 3 आंसर आपके सामने है। अब वही बैलेंसिंग लाइन कंसीडर करो, क्या
4+1
क्या
4 + 1 5
आएंगे, सिर्फ 2 रहेगा, 5 रहेगा, 6, 8,
6
7,
7
9,
9
4, 10, 7, 11, 0, 13 खत्म हो गया ये तो क्या इजी है हर बार 13 + 13 करना, या 4 + 1, 5 + 1, 7 + 2, व्हाट इज इजी? एहसान, सिद्दीकी, अमनुल्लाह,
इजी इजी सर,
क्या
एडिंग करने वाला इजी।
ये रॉकेट साइंस थी? इससे easy कुछ हो सकता था? यस सोनेलाल, was it? Just hold on. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
क्या ये मुश्किल था, इजी था? तो फिर आज तक क्यों नहीं किया हमने कोशिश?
Because of unknown, sir, because we are not very familiar with this technique and Vedic mathematics. That's why the reason.
It's not, sir, it is not only Vedic maths and Vedic math. फिर मैं वही बात करूंगा, फेसबुक पे सारा दिन चैटिंग करते हैं हम, टिकटॉक पे सारा दिन वीडियोस डालते हैं, क्या उस वीडियो कभी नॉलेज वाले वीडियो यूट्यूब के वीडियोस को चेक किया हमने? ये लो 87 का 8 का 8 का टेबल 16 सभी को आता है, 8 का टेबल, 7 का टेबल 14।
So I used this.
हो गया खत्म। अभी भी डिफिकल्ट है? बताइए, यस एनीवन?
नो सर।
तो क्या कोई भी 2 डिजिट का नंबर रह गया मुश्किल? यस, 19 या 89 भी यहां से भी कर सकते थे आप, पर उसके लिए 8 का टेबल भी लिखते हैं, और वो मेथड में कुछ भी नहीं करना था, इट वाज जस्ट अ गेम। और बच्चों को याद रखो, मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं, जब बच्चों को आपको पढ़ाना है तो पहले उसको खुश करना है, उसके अंदर आत्मविश्वास जगाना है। हम थोपने की कोशिश करते हैं, मैथ से वो डरता है इसलिए क्योंकि आप अपनी इच्छाओं को उन पे थोपते रहे। अभी एक एग्जांपल दिया मैंने आपको टेबल्स के लिए मार पड़ी थी, इसलिए आप भी वही, भाई जो चीज आपको नहीं आती थी आपने उसको इजी सीखा ही नहीं दोबारा। मेरे से ये गलती होती थी या मुझे नहीं आता था तो मैं कुछ इजी मेथड बता दूं बच्चों को ना, जान के वही पूछते हैं और फिर उसी बात पे तब क्या, ये कमी है हम सब में। सो मैं इसी चीज से बाहर आया। आई वॉज अ बिजनेसमैन रनिंग 1200+ इंस्टीट्यूशंस इन द कंट्री। जब मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि बच्चा सुसाइड क्यों करता है मैथ्स की वजह से, इतना डर था मैथ्स से, तो उसको इजी करने के लिए वैदिक मैथ्स को अपनाया और बुक्स लिखी। टुडे आई एम द मोस्ट व्यूड राइटर इन द वर्ल्ड ऑन दिस टॉपिक। आप कोरा चेक करेंगे तो आपको ये देखेंगे। तो आप अगर एफर्ट्स करेंगे तो बच्चे भी आएंगे आपके पास। जैसे सोनू मैम कह रहे थे कि बच्चे, हमारे टॉपिक्स पहले क्लियर होने चाहिए। थॉरो नॉलेज नहीं होगी तो आप किसी को सिखा कैसे पाएंगे? सिर्फ 2 रट्टे मार के हम टीचर नहीं बन पाएंगे। टीचर का मतलब है हर डाउट को क्लियर करना, गुरु का काम है पथ दिखाना। हो गया ये 3 डिजिट ले लो, 123। फिर क्या हुआ, लो तो ये 3 तो आंसर ऐसे ही आ गए। इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, 492, फिनिश। प्लेस वैल्यूज देखो, आपने 11 में भी वहां यूज कर लिया, टेबल्स में भी कर लिया। और जो कल का कोर्स कर रहे हैं वो देखेंगे स्क्वायर्स, क्यूब्स, वो भी इससे हो जाएंगे सॉल्व। सो मैथ्स टफ नहीं था, प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ ये थी कि हमने मैथ्स को एनफोर्समेंट बना दिया, नहीं ऐसे ही करना है। अगर हमने आजादी दी होती सोचने की, हर इंसान ने सोचा होता और बहुत सी चीजें निकल आती। करेक्ट। एनी हाउ, कोई डाउट टेबल्स में?
नो सर।
No, no, sir, no, no.
चलिए आगे
No,
बढ़ते हैं।
sir.
और डाउट और टॉपिक्स क्यों चाहिए? देखिए, पहला मैंने आपको क्लियर किया, मैथ्स की स्पीड बढ़ जाती है इसलिए वैदिक मैथ्स करिए। दूसरा, टेबल्स का बर्डन खत्म हो जाता है इसलिए करिए, बहुत बड़ा बर्डन था ये। ये देखिए, ये गेम जनरली मैं दिखाता हूँ बच्चों को और वो खुश होते हैं इसमें, है ना। तो आपको भी ऐसा ही चीजें, ये आपको नोट्स मिलेंगे तो वो सारी प्रिंटेड, ये आपको सारा एग्जांपल्स जिसमें पूरा एक एक वर्ड लिखा होगा, आपको डाउनलोड करना है। मैं फेसबुक का आईडी दे दूंगा। करेक्ट। मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दोबारा डाल रहा हूँ, आप मुझे अगर किसी ने नहीं भी किया हुआ पहले तो दोबारा मुझे भेज देना, मैं उनको भी भेज दूंगा। ये मैंने अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर डाल दिया है चैट में। सॉरी, ये डायरेक्ट मैसेज चला गया, सॉरी। तीसरा, जैसे संगीता मैम ने बोला था कि इट रिड्यूसेस स्क्रैच वर्क। क्यों स्क्रैच वर्क रिड्यूस हो गया? बिकॉज आप मैक्सिमम कैलकुलेशंस यू आर डूइंग मेंटली, सो देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ डूइंग स्क्रैच वर्क। स्क्रैच वर्क के ऊपर एक और कारण है, मैं वो अभी डिस्कस नहीं कर पाऊंगा। बच्चों को कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों नहीं आता? बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हाउ टू चेक द आंसर्स। एक क्वेश्चन किसी ने पूछा था अबैकस, तो नाउ विल डिस्कस फिंगर काउंटिंग। फिंगर काउंटिंग एथिक्स हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता, या इट्स वी फील व्हेन स्टूडेंट इज डूइंग दिस एंड दिस कैलकुलेशन, वो कहां से सीखता है? वो अबैकस से सीखता है। Now, what is the difference? What is basic difference? Because we know the word abacus. It's around 20 years now we have been doing this. China का ये है। Now, what is abacus or what is the difference? See, पहला अगर scope की बात करें, abacus is used to carry out majorly 4 arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, और उसके बाद scales, cubes. That's limitation. But in Vedic maths, we can carry out any calculation with these 16 formulas, which we call sutras, and 13 sub-sutras. Problems arithmetic की हो, algebra की हो, trigonometry की हो, geometry की हो, calculus हो, conics हो, and even organic chemistry. In fact, physics also, जहां भी calculation होंगी, arithmetic calculation होंगी, वहां आप use कर सकते हैं, but abacus नहीं। दूसरा, आपने if you might have seen, आपके बच्चे अगर करते हैं तो abacus takes 3 years। आज सुबह भी डिस्कस हो रहा था मेरा किसी से, 3 साल में 4 टॉपिक्स की, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन। पैसा दे दिया, स्कूल के साथ कोप अप नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट इनकलकेटेड इन योर स्कूल सिलेबस। बट वैदिक मैथ्स कैन बी इनकलकेटेड, बिकॉज जो आपका टॉपिक है उसका इजी सोल्यूशन है आपके लिए। तो वेदर इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड और नॉट, हाँ बिल्कुल वो मत रहिए ना कि यही हम आंसर ही यही लिख दें। अगर गवर्नमेंट ने आपकी इंप्लीमेंट नहीं किया तो एटलीस्ट बच्चा उससे वेरीफाई तो कर सकता है, आंसर चेक तो कर सकता है। व्हाई डू यू वांट कि वो आंसर भी वैसे ही लिख दे, और इसका ठीकरा तो नहीं फोड़ सकते आप टीचर में भी, ये हम क्यों नहीं कर रहे? जो प्रॉब्लम सोनू मैम को आ रही है, और उसमें कारण होता है टीचर इज नॉट एबल टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड। नॉलेज मैटर्स। आपकी तभी लोग सुनेंगे जब आपके पास नॉलेज होगी। अगर आप उनको लगेगा कि आप सिर्फ 4 वर्ड्स पढ़ के बोल रहे हैं तो पीपल विल नॉट कंसिडर यू। सो प्लीज, एक रिक्वेस्ट है, हमेशा डीप नॉलेज लीजिए, जहां से हो सके डिस्कस करिए। चुप रह के हम नहीं सीख सकते। यूज ऑफ टूल। जो अबैकस है उसमें एक टूल होता है, ऐसे टूल पकड़ के वो आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। बट सिंपल लॉजिक, क्या आप टूल को स्कूल ले जा सकते हैं? क्या आप टूल को एग्जाम हॉल में ले जा सकते हैं? नो। बट वैदिक मैथ्स ब्रेन से किया जाता है, मेंटली किया जाता है, आपका ब्रेन हर टाइम आपके साथ है। So that is why it is more effective way to learn, understand and teach. ठीक है, पढ़ना आसान है, सिखाना आसान है. अब कोई क्वेश्चन रह गया जिसने अब एबैकस पूछा था? आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, शायद एहसान ने पूछा था, शायद somebody. Yes, एहसान. Whoever asked, you can please let me know if your query is solved or not. Okay. एक और रीजन व्हाई वैदिक मैथ्स, बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू इंक्रीज कंसंट्रेशन. बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है ये. हर पीटीएम में माँ बाप आके बोलते हैं मेरा बच्चा कंसंट्रेट नहीं करता, मदर आके कहती है ही इज नॉट एबल टू फोकस, नॉट एबल टू पे अटेंशन, नॉट एबल टू कंसंट्रेट. और टीचर भी यही कहती है आपका बच्चा फोकस नहीं कर रहा है क्लास में, अटेंशन पे नहीं कर रहा है. दोनों कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं बच्चे की. बहुत बड़ी पॉइंट, किसी ने बताया कैसे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं, हाउ टू फोकस, हाउ टू पे अटेंशन. When you were doing calculations, 11 का जो कर रहा था, जो फटाफट आंसर दे रहा था, at that time were you not feeling something positive vibes going in your body? Yes, संगीता, ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स आ रही थी?
Yes, sir.
That is a feeling of joy, positivity. क्या हमें गेम खेलने के लिए कंसंट्रेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है? हमें पढ़ाई के लिए क्यों पड़ती है? क्योंकि हम बोर हो जाते हैं. So जब हम वो कैलकुलेशंस कर रहे थे, we were feeling positive, we were feel energetic. And when the education becomes such positive, energetic, then you need not to focus कि मेरे को attention करनी है. It will automatically be a part. And you will not be worrying about that. So it is observed that students who are doing mathematics with Vedic maths, they are scoring good, they're doing good in entire their academics. Correct? Last and not the least, it helps in reducing silly mistakes. Now, what are silly mistakes? आपने देखा होगा मैथ्स में हम बार बार कैरी ओवर आते हैं, मल्टीपल कैरी ओवर्स आते हैं. जैसे 576 into 121 लेना होता है, अगर हमने नॉर्मल वे से करेंगे तो कई कैरी ओवर्स आएंगे. या 87 का टेबल लिखना था तो कितनी बार कैरी ओवर आता. बट वैदिक मैथ्स में वो कैरी ओवर्स काफी हद तक खत्म हो जाते हैं. और दूसरा, सब्ट्रैक्शन में हर बच्चा कंफ्यूज होता है बिकॉज ऑफ बोरो. स्टूडेंट को समझ नहीं आता, आई एम टेकिंग 1, एक नंबर 10 बन जाता है, एक 1 जुड़ जाता है. So here in Vedic maths we don't have borrow. There is nothing what is called as borrow. Entire subtraction एक simple line पे चलती है which is called as all from 9 last from 10. So सोचिए कितना easy है. पूरे वर्ल्ड की मनी करेंसीज एक लाइन से अगर आप कर सकें, all from 9 last from 10. So that would be the next topic. Yes, कोई डिसएडवांटेज अभी तक आपको लगा? Anyone?
No, sir.
Yes,
No disadvantage, only advantage, sir.
मैं 2 गिना. I have to very first thing, जो आपके कैलकुलेटर्स पड़े हैं वो बेकार हो जाएंगे. So that is the biggest disadvantage. Second, your friends will feel jealous of you. आपकी कैलकुलेशन देख के they will be jealous. So you might feel that thing. Definitely, it's not. So if you remember, I use the word Vedic maths makes mathematical magical. So how many of you agree with this now?
Agree, sir, agree.
Right.
Agree.
So I'll share you the homework. You have to do it. And that will be beneficial for you only. All those who are there for tomorrow also, then we'll learn more topics, that is scaling, cubing. Same इसी तरह आप फास्ट कर सकते हैं जो हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. Right? Yes. Any questions if you have, please ask. Anyone who has any questions now?
Regarding subject matter, sir, or anything else?
Anything?
Sir, actually, just now you said you wrote a book. So how can we buy that book?
There are कौन सी जगह से हैं आप?
Nepal, sir.
नेपाल, फिर कोई बात, नेपाल सारे हैं मुझे मालूम है, कौन सी जगह से मैंने कहा?
विराटनगर, sir, विराटनगर.
विराटनगर अभी हेड बुक्स पड़ी हैं काठमांडू में और धनगढ़ी हैं. आप मुझे एड्रेस भेजना, मैं बोल दूंगा, वो कुरियर कर देंगे आपको.
Sure, sir.
और बोलिए.
I also need, sir, that book.
6 बुक्स हैं टीचर ट्रेनिंग. मैं आपको लिंक दे दूंगा, आप मुझे, मैंने व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया, यू जस्ट क्लिक दैट नंबर. देखिए ऑनलाइन आपके वहां मिलती नहीं है, अमेज़न चलता नहीं है, अदरवाइज किंडल पे भी वो बुक है, गूगल पे फ्री दे रखा है मैंने फर्स्ट बुक. तो हार्ड कॉपी चाहिए तो फिर आपको वहां से आ जाएंगी, काठमांडू से कुरियर हो जाएगा. राइट?
Yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Anything else? Anyone? Yes, Sangeeta, any questions to have?
No, sir.
Titiksha? Siddhi?
Sir, actually, can we apply the formula of Vedic mathematics in case of optional math as well, like trigonometry, height and distance, statistics?
Yes. See, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में क्या आएगा? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अगर आपको आ गई तो उसके बाद क्या रह गया? वैदिक मैथ से क्या होगा? वो कैलकुलेशन आपकी इजी हो गई. मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. परसेंटेज निकालते हैं आप, A% ऑफ B. फॉर्मूला तो वही रहेगा ना, A इंटू बी डिवाइड बाय 100. बट A इंटू बी अभी आपसे नहीं होता. क्यों? मैं बड़ा नंबर दे दूं, 112 का 40% निकालना है, सॉरी 48% निकालना है, तो अब 112 इंटू 48 आप करने में टाइम लगाएंगे. जब हम वैदिक मैथ्स कर लेंगे तो 112 इंटू 48 इजी हो जाएगा. जैसे आज किया 576 इंटू 121. यही मान के चलो 121% निकालना है 576 का. कैसे निकालते? पर आज क्या किया?
It will take time.
अब हमने क्या किया? वो कैलकुलेशन इजी होगी. वंस योर कैलकुलेशन बिकम इजी. सो जो लोग भी ये सोचते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पे जंप करना है, हमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नहीं आती, अर्थमेटिक के बिना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नहीं हो सकती. क्योंकि फास्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के लिए कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है. फास्ट अर्थमेटिक होगा तभी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में बेनिफिशियल होगा. बट यस, आई एम कमिंग विद बुक्स ऑन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, ज्योमेट्री आल्सो. बट टिल नाउ अर्थमेटिक्स, अलजेब्रा और बच्चों की है क्लास 3rd 4th 5th की तो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं है धनगढ़ी में. एंड टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग का सेट तो ऑलरेडी नेपाल में बहुत दिखता है. ठीक है, चलिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड आई शेयर यू द होमवर्क. एंड जिसका मेरे पास नहीं होगा फॉर्म उसको मैं नहीं भेज पाऊंगा, बाकी सबको मैं आई शेयर. करेक्ट?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.